Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to copy a table from Perplexity. This is incredibly useful when you need to transfer data from your Perplexity searches directly into documents for reports, presentations, or further analysis. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to perplexity.ai. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Simply enter your login details to access your account. This step ensures you have full access to all of Perplexity's features and your saved search history. After logging in, you'll see the main chat input box right in the center of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. Click into this input box and type a query that will generate a table. For example, you could type something like "show top 5 electric cars" in a table. The key here is to be specific about wanting a table format in your query, as this helps Perplexity understand exactly how you want the information presented. Once you've typed your query, press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the Submit button. Perplexity will process your request and generate a response. You'll need to wait a moment while the AI analyzes your query and compiles the information into a structured table format. The processing time is usually quite quick, but it depends on the complexity of your request. When Perplexity displays your results, you'll notice the information is organized in a clean table format. Look carefully at the table and you'll see a copy table icon. This icon is specifically designed to make transferring data seamless. Click on this icon and Perplexity will copy the entire table to your clipboard, preserving the formatting and structure. Now it's time to paste your table into Microsoft Word. Open Microsoft Word on your computer, and once you have a blank document or the document where you want to insert the table, simply press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut will paste the table you copied from Perplexity directly into your Word document, maintaining the table structure and all the data you requested. And there you have it. You've successfully copied a table from Perplexity and pasted it into Microsoft Word, making it easy to use that data in your documents. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.